What's going on, guys? We got to talk about what is happening with Dogecoin right now. It's holding up very nicely at 39 cents. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion on that. But first, we got to talk about Elon Musk, man. This guy is talking about Dogecoin on Twitter, on X, whatever you want to call it. It's called X. So make sure you follow me. The link is down below. I post a lot of free trading posts on there. So if you're not following me, follow me. If you follow me today, I'll give you a follow back as long as you have a blue check mark. But this is what he posted 6 hours ago while you were all asleep. So Melissa Chen said, I'm cracking up so badly listening to series WSJ journalists pronounce Doge in their professional radio broadcasting voice in the context of a serious news bit and part of the me cannot believe that it all started from a meme, a government agency. He's saying this is so awesome. So, what is your guys' thoughts on this? That Elon Musk is literally talking about Doge and relating Dogecoin to Doge with the government with Donald Trump. I think it's very interesting, right? So, Dogecoin right now is trading right above 39 cents. We've been breaking this down for you guys every single day. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. If you've been subscribed to this channel, you know we've been talking about Dogecoin since under 10 cents, even under 9 cents at one point. I made a lot of videos on it, and now we're at 39 cents. So congrats if you bought down here. Before we get into the details on this, guys, I do want to let you know there was a post. I don't just post about Dogecoin. I kind of share something with you guys every single day about the Patreon. Congrats to the 10 members that signed up yesterday. You're about to be blessed. But XRP update buy alert on October 8th. Okay. This is a buy area under 53 cents. I give my reasons why. You can see the chart right here. I talk about different trend lines, stochastic, RSI. We talk about the MACD. We're talking about support and volume as well. This was a reaccumulation zone under 53 cents. And now you can see that XRP is trading over 72 cents. Okay. And the good news is, guys, I hold a lot of XRP and I'm not selling anytime soon. So I just wanted to give you that update. And if you're interested in learning more about this and getting posts like that throughout the week of different stocks and crypto, make sure you check out the links out down below and join the Patreon. So we understand why Dogecoin ran, right? We have the MACD right here, white line over the red, very bullish. We have the white line over the red, very bullish. This was the first little run. We bounced at the red line, okay, very bullish, and we ran up. Now it's still looking bullish because the stochastic on a monthly time frame is still above the red line. Let me actually zoom in for you so we can get an even better picture of this. Okay, so this is basically Dogecoin's history. It's pretty crazy, guys, because I don't think Dogecoin's top is in. Yes, I've taken profit because I'm not an idiot. I was buying under 10 cents. So I'm going to lock in profit. And my strategy is really moving that profit either to cash, which I do hold a little bit of cash right now, but I recently bought 2 more cryptos that I disclosed to members this morning. Okay. I like to move the profit into undervalued stocks or crypto. Okay. It's just my strategy. And my strategy, guys, is really looking weeks to months out. I buy and hold. I find a stock, I find a crypto that looks very undervalued. I buy it like SoFi under 7, like Tesla under 227, like so many that I've named. Palantir under $8, and a ton of cryptos. We're not going to get into it. But I buy, I hold, and then I sell when it hits certain sell targets based off Fibonacci resistance and also this yellow Keltner line that you see up here. So you can see if we go back in time, the yellow Keltner line is a great indicator that tells us when it's time to start selling Dogecoin. Okay. Back in the day, let's talk about 2017, 2018. Okay. This ran up. We had 1 candle touch it, 2 candle, 3 candles. So 3 months, Dogecoin went on a run. Then it sold off, guys. We were at 0.004 and it pulled back all the way to 0.0006. Okay. Usually Dogecoin's crashes are anywhere from 30% to 70%. So this was a very big crash. And this was when the stochastic was also curling over. And then what happened? We held the 21 EMA and Dogecoin ripped higher. touched the yellow Keltner line again 2 times. It created negative divergence on a monthly time frame. Okay, that's when the RSI is lower and the asset is higher. What does that tell us? It's time to sell, time to get out. Okay, and then it bottomed out over at like 0.001 way down here. And then this was the next run up. This was in November of 2020. We got back above the 21 EMA. Stochastic was going up, still going up. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months of us touching the yellow Keltner line. Okay. Now, if you want to hold through all this, you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So without the crash, but you get the point. Basically, once we start touching the yellow Keltner lines, you want to start being very cautious. Okay. That's just one indicator. Then we hit a top of 75 cents. And obviously, we've all been in this bear market right here. So now what's happening? Well, now this is actually looking very bullish that the RSI has made a higher high from the last point. Okay, very good. But Dogecoin is experiencing some resistance right now, being around the 40-cent range. This is also a Fibonacci level. If you've been with me, you understand what I've been talking about. This was the 236 level we rejected. 32.33 cents was the 382 level. And that's when I first took a little bit of profit. And then I took profit all the way up to 39 cents. Okay. So based off Fibonacci, basically, because I understand that since we've touched the yellow Keltner line, since we're facing some heavy resistance right now, you can see the wicks right here. I understand that we could pull back before the next run up. Okay. You can see these long wicks right here, right? We have these long wicks all over. We have another long wick right here. Let's say this is where we're at right now. This is kind of looking similar to where we are today. Let's say we're on this candle. Well, this candle was up here and then it wicked down all the way down here. That's a big move down before the next run up. So that's why I've sold a little bit and I'm sitting on some cash and moved into other cryptos, because if Dogecoin crashes back down, and let's just say it tests the old resistance of 23 to 24 cents, that would be a huge buying opportunity. Why is that a buying opportunity? Because the run is not done. I just showed you guys that based off Keltner lines, Keltner channels, the yellow line alone, it's not done. Based off stochastic right now, it's not done. Based off the RSI, it's not done. There's no negative divergence that has formed yet. Okay. And we're not at overbought levels on a monthly time frame. Minimum, this should go up to at least 85 to, or let's just say 84 to 90, I would say. Right now, the RSI is at 74. So it's good to take healthy profits, but you can see the trend for Dogecoin, right? It goes flat, up, flat, up, flat. Now we're about to go up. So do I think it could pass $1? Yeah, I do. I think Dogecoin can pass $1. It's really up to you, though. And I'll just show you one last thing, guys. Paint the picture very clear for you. If we look at Fibonacci from this high point of 76, and we bring it all the way to the low of about 5 pennies, okay? This is exactly what I mean. The 236 level was right here at 23 cents and sold off. The 382 level was at 32 cents. We blasted right through. The 50, we have not closed above it yet. This is acting as very strong resistance right now. You can see there's a wick right here. Okay, so the monthly candle will tell us a lot, but we have a lot of month left. So we also look at the weekly. But if you're thinking long term, and we expect at least 3 more months of bullishness, let's say for Dogecoin, based on what it's done before, okay, based on everything that I've talked about, well, then you're looking at December, January. So January, maybe. January would be a good time where we might have a top. Do I think we could get to $1.20 by January with how much momentum Dogecoin has right now? Sure. Do I think it might sell off before? Sure. This is just my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You just have to look at every single scenario out there, okay? But the 1.618 level, I think is definitely possible for Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin can definitely make new all-time highs. So now looking at it, well, trading at 40 cents, what's your rate of return from 40 cents to $1.20? What is that like? you're at least going to double to 80 cents and then another maybe like a 3 or 4x, maybe close to there. So you got to understand, if you're buying under 10 cents like us, it's a completely different story than buying right now. So you have to make that decision for you, right? My goal with this run is to get as much return as I possibly can. And that's why I'm locking in with certain cryptos. That's why we were heavy into Dogecoin. It's still my largest position, to be honest with you, because I bought a ton under 10, 11, 12 cents. I think my average is about 11.1, right above 11 cents for Dogecoin. Okay. So we'll see what happens, but this is just what I wanted to share with you. Wanted to be 100% honest with you of really what I think is happening to Dogecoin right now. With that, I hope you have a great day. Drop a like if you want, join the team if you want, and we'll see you on the next one.